Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? Or sent an email with a glaring typo despite checking it multiple times? Don't worry, you're not alone. Our brains are wired to make mistakes, and understanding why can help us make fewer of them. Mistakes are an inevitable part of life, but what if we told you that the psychology behind these everyday blunders is both fascinating and fixable? From forgetting a colleague's name to accidentally spilling coffee on important documents, these slip-ups are more than just embarrassing, they're insights into how our brain functions. In this video, we'll explore why we make silly mistakes, the psychological processes behind them, and actionable tips to reduce these errors. By the end, you'll have a deeper understanding of your mind and tools to make it work better for you. So why we make silly mistakes? Cognitive overload. Our brain has a limited capacity for processing information. When we multitask or are overwhelmed, simple details can slip through the cracks. Inattentional blindness. When focused on one task, we may fail to notice obvious errors around us. This happens because attention is a finite resource. Automaticity. Repeating the same actions daily, like typing or driving, can make them automatic. While this saves energy, it also makes us prone to overlooking errors. Fatigue and stress. When tired or stressed, our cognitive efficiency decreases, increasing the likelihood of mistakes. Memory lapses. Forgetting small details, like where you placed your keys, can stem from distractions or insufficient encoding in the brain. Overconfidence. Thinking, "I've got this," can lead to rushing through tasks without double-checking. Habit loops. Mistakes often occur when we are stuck in habitual patterns, like grabbing the wrong file because it's where the correct one usually is. The psychology behind everyday blunders. Confirmation bias. The brain sees what it expects to see. For example, when proofreading a document, you might miss a typo because your brain reads what you meant to write instead of what's actually there. Heuristics and shortcuts. Mental shortcuts, or heuristics, help the brain process information quickly. However, they can lead to errors. For instance, assuming a stove burner is off just because it doesn't glow red can result in accidental burns. Emotional influence. Emotions like anxiety or excitement can cloud judgment. For example, being nervous during a presentation might cause you to skip over important points or misplace your notes. Working memory limitations. Working memory is the mental space where you hold and manipulate information. If you try to remember too many things at once, like a grocery list without writing it down, some items are bound to be forgotten. Distraction and mind wandering. A wandering mind is less likely to stay focused. For example, thinking about an upcoming event while cooking might cause you to forget an ingredient or burn the food. Let's talk about how to cure this. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness trains your brain to focus on the present moment. Start with small practices like focusing on your breath or paying full attention to a single task. This helps in reducing distractions and staying engaged with what you're doing. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, organize your workspace, and set boundaries for uninterrupted work time. For example, putting your phone in another room while working can dramatically increase your focus. Double-check your work. Build the habit of reviewing your work, even if you feel confident. For example, after sending an important email, reread it for clarity and errors before hitting send. Take breaks. The brain functions better with rest. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. These intervals help maintain focus and prevent fatigue-induced errors. Prioritize sleep and rest. Lack of sleep impairs attention, memory, and decision-making. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly and incorporate naps if you feel fatigued during the day. Slow down. Rushing often leads to errors. Give yourself extra time for tasks, especially important ones. For example, leaving a few minutes earlier for a meeting allows you to focus on getting there instead of worrying about being late. Now have a quick look at myths and facts about silly mistakes. Myth. Only careless people make silly mistakes. Fact. Everyone makes mistakes, especially when multitasking or under stress. Myth. Intelligence prevents silly mistakes. Fact. Even highly intelligent people make errors due to cognitive overload or distractions. Environmental factors. A cluttered or noisy environment can easily distract your focus, making it more likely to overlook important details. For instance, working in a messy space can make it harder to find tools or documents, leading to errors. Emotional state. Negative emotions like anxiety, anger, or sadness can cloud your judgment. On the other hand, excitement or overenthusiasm can lead to rushing, which causes oversight. For example, responding to an email while upset may result in tone or grammar errors. Over-reliance on memory. When you rely too heavily on memory for repetitive tasks, small lapses can occur. For example, forgetting to lock the door or turn off the stove happens because your brain treats these as routine actions. Lack of adequate preparation. Jumping into tasks without preparation increases the likelihood of errors. For example, not reviewing instructions before assembling furniture may result in missing steps or using the wrong tools. Decision fatigue. Making too many decisions throughout the day can exhaust your mental energy, leading to poorer judgment and silly mistakes later. This is why you're more likely to forget tasks or misplace items in the evening.